Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Now the geopolitical tension between Iran and Israel doesn't seem to close very easily. You see, it was not that big of an issue for India as long as the fight between the Hamas and Israel was going on, when they were dealing with the Palestinian situation. The problem became very severe when Israel attacked the embassy of Iran. This is completely against international rules. No one can attack an embassy of other country. After Israel attacked embassy of Iran, definitely they wanted to take revenge. So they waited until Ramzan, and recently you would have seen the drone strike which happened. More than 300 drones and missiles were launched to Israel. This is the first attack which the Iran has done against Israel. Now what Iran people are saying, see, you attacked our embassy, so we have given you back. As of now, the problem is solved. But in case you try to attack us again, definitely 3 to 4 times of what we have done right now, you will face the consequences. So this is a threat from Iran to Israel. Now Israeli High Commission is saying that the drone attack what Iran did, it did not create that much of a problem for us. More than 90 to 95 drone strike we have completely blocked. This has not created that kind of a harm for us. But everybody in the world know, we have seen the videos, there has been a severe impact in Israel. Now this has created a big ego problem for Israel. Now traders, see here, Benjamin Netanyahu, this person is the Prime Minister of Israel. Now within the country itself, this person has lost a lot of popularity. Now what he wants to do is, he wants to gain popularity during the election. He wants to stay for long. He might create this as a national issue. If he strikes back Iran, this is going to be a very big problem for India. Now the countries which is supporting Iran is Russia, China. Now the countries which is supporting Israel is US, Canada, all the Western countries, Germany, Italy, all of these countries. But South Asian countries like India, we are not taking any kind of stand. But if this war continues, the first thing which we will get affected is petrol. Because of this war, a lot of Indians also will get affected. Close to Israel, there are a lot of Middle East countries where Indians are residing. Close to 90 lakh people around are residing there. This will create more pressure for Indians who are staying abroad. Now, one more important development is in international waters, Iran has captured an Israel ship. In that, 17 Indians are there. This is one more problem for India. They're trying really hard to ensure that all the 17 people are safe. Now, in this kind of uncertain situation, I think it is important that we protect ourselves, do not take overnight positions. All of this international negative news will severely impact our Indian stock market also. So please be very careful. Now traders, if you have found the information what I have provided right now is useful, then share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Over a period of time, all the important developments I'll try to keep you posted before I analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for the next day. Now let's quickly open Nifty and Bank Nifty chart and see how was today's trade. Traders, today both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened with a positive note. In Nifty, we could see a gap up. At the same time, in Bank Nifty, you can see the first candle was a strong bullish candle. Now continuously our market was falling, right? Looking at that, anyone who would have entered put option during this recovery, they would have booked their loss. At the same time, market did not wanted to remove everyone. So we could see a correction towards the downside. If you remember, yesterday we had discussed about a concept called dead cat bounce. So my expectation was Bank Nifty from the upper level, if it consolidates and gives a breakout, then it has a potential to move up to 22,400 in Nifty, and in Bank Nifty maybe until the next resistance. Now the first thing what we did as soon as the market opened was identify important support and resistance level on our chart. Now you can see here somewhere around 917 itself, in our private Telegram group today we had discussed about important resistance and support for Bank Nifty and important resistance and support level for Nifty. Now somewhere around 941 I shared my next update saying that this area somewhere near 618 level of Fibonacci, Bank Nifty can show some bullishness. So please be careful at this zone. So if you open Bank Nifty chart, to a certain extent buyer showed some pressure in the market, but quickly the seller started entering the market. During this time, I shared my first live market analysis video at 9:57. In this video, while discussing about Bank Nifty, I said that Bank Nifty from the current level, it has a chance of moving towards the upside if Nifty supports, because there is a lot of stop loss hunting levels towards the upside, or if Nifty moves towards the downside from our supporting area, there we can see a pullback towards the upside. Now this particular video I forwarded to our free Telegram channel also. You can go and check it out because there's a lot of useful information related to price action, stop loss hunting and trade psychology. Now in the second update which I shared somewhere around 11 o'clock, I had clearly said that Bank Nifty can make a momentum like this. Looking at this high, low, lower high, lower low, planning for a put option trade is not a good idea. Planning for a put option trade can be only after the market goes below the supporting area. Now while speaking about Nifty also, I said that only if Nifty makes a momentum like this, we can plan for a put, or else there is a high chance that from the current level Nifty can reverse or stay sideways. Now if you look at Bank Nifty chart, today morning market respected our resistance level. From there we could see a decent fall towards the downside. Entering a put option trade at this zone according to me was not a good idea. From this area itself, Bank Nifty again moved towards the upside for a retest, removing all weak players, and at the upper level Bank Nifty was holding on to its range. And to plan a call option trade, we had discussed that market has to come out of 236 level, retest, and then if it is showing strong bullishness, we can plan for a call. At the upper level, I was waiting for Bank Nifty to come out of the zone because as per dead cat bounce, I was expecting a little bit more momentum in Bank Nifty. Now during the live market also you can see I was looking for a call option trade itself. Near 0.5 level support, I expected Bank Nifty to reverse, breakout in Nifty. I was expecting some kind of correction before the reversal. Near 236 level of Fibonacci, if Nifty had given any breakout setup, we could have planned for a call. This was my view about the market. But for everybody's surprise, market formed a very big candle today. We don't know if this is manipulation or this is because Israel Prime Minister is saying that we are going to strike back. If you check online, you will get to see that Israel Prime Minister has informed that definitely they are going to strike back, and the comment was very rude. So market would have panicked, because of which I think this kind of movement would have happened. Many call option writers would have applied straddles, they would have seen bigger losses in the market, because definitely within 3 minutes 150 points fall in Nifty and 400 points fall in Bank Nifty. No one would have imagined this also. This movement in the market was all of a sudden, it completely spoiled the setup which we planned for today. Now let's see what kind of trading setup we have for tomorrow. Traders, what we are going to discuss now is very important, so please listen carefully. Now Bank Nifty today has closed at a very important level, which is 47,000, right? Now this is a psychological level, and if you check in the past, Bank Nifty was forming higher lows and higher high, and it was moving towards upside, and now in the future this can be a higher low from where Bank Nifty can correct. This area, previously it was resistance, this area was the support. Today market has closed near the supporting area. Now tomorrow, let's say Bank Nifty opens somewhere here or here, breaking 47,000. Many people will think about entering a put option trade, but I expect market to either form a W pattern setup here, and it can give a movement of close to 300 to 350 points. That is why if W pattern is formed, I will be looking for a call option trade. One more reason why I'm getting confidence on call option trade is from recent swing low to swing high. If you draw the Fibonacci level, it is 0.618, also a supporting area and also a psychological level. So here, if I'm getting any breakout setup with small stop loss, if I enter a call option trade, my expectation is market can at least go up to 47,400 level. Okay, that is why here I'm looking for a call option trade. Now, of course, because of the geopolitical tension, market has been uncertain, and continuously many times it has opened with a gap down. Now, during this downtrend also, market requires a pullback before it continues its trend. So during this pullback, I'm looking for capturing a small profit in the market. Now, in case Bank Nifty opens somewhere here, immediately at the breakdown, I will not plan for a put. I will wait for a retest. Only then, if market breaks the day's low, I will consider a put option trade, because stop loss is small. If market moves towards the downside, target will be big. So both kind of trading opportunity is available, but I think market can give a W pattern setup here. The only reason why market can fall is put option writers are considering 47,000 as important support. To create panic for them, if market opens with extreme gap down here or here, then they might think about entering from the market. Because of that, it might create more selling pressure. That time the setup what we have discussed will fail. But if the market opens somewhere here or here, expecting a W pattern setup, here I will capture a small move towards the upside, or if it forms a M pattern, here I can plan for a put to capture a small move towards the downside. Of course, tomorrow morning we will discuss about important support and resistance level in our private Telegram group. Based on that also we can plan our trade. Now coming to Nifty, here you can see continuously in Nifty also this level was acting as a support. Now Nifty is near 0.5 level of Fibonacci, which is very close to 22,000. Here also we have a psychological level. The plan what I have discussed in Bank Nifty, same applies for Nifty also. That means if Nifty opens with gap down, immediately planning for a put option trade is not a good idea, because market can form a W pattern and move at least up to 22,160 or 150. Market formed a high, low, lower high, lower low. A lower low is possible before market continues the trend. Here we can try to capture a small momentum towards the upside. If market opens with gap down, immediately planning for put option trade is not a good idea. We will wait for a retest. After that, if market is showing any bearish sentiment, that is when we can plan for a put option trade. Now both Nifty and Bank Nifty, I have shown it on a 1 hour time frame, but the same sentiment is applicable even on a 5 minutes time frame. Now at this point of time, this is my view about the market. In case my view changes, definitely in the free Telegram channel, I'll keep you posted. Now traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you think this kind of content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.